All right, guys, we're in the 85 Chevy Caprice, and the window, this is a rolling window, but I think it's the same thing on the electric. Roll it down and it gets stuck. See, it don't go down too far. It's like crooked. I'm gonna show you how to fix that right now. If you notice right here in the window, it has like a hole. See that? Right there. It's missing the clip. There's supposed to be a clip right there, which are these right here. Little plastic clip. That's the part number, Dorman. So this is how it looks right here. It's a plastic clip. You just close it in that hole, and this slides into the channel. It's easy. You just slide it in. All right, I pushed it in. Looks like it's gonna hold. Now let's see how it works now. There you go. A lot smoother, guys. That's how you fix it.